Hi guys, it's Kai back. Today we're going to try and make a boat to sit in. I've been asking my parents for a boat lately, but it's too much cost. So I thought, oh, maybe I could make a boat. These are my plans for my Kai Kai-Yak. I'm going to use plastic wrap, bendy sticks, paddle, and tape. This should cost almost nothing to make. I've made my designs here. So you want the sticks to be 2 meters long. Because I measure it, I need a meter for myself to sit in. My first idea was to get loads of plastic bottles and attach them together to make a boat. But then I thought, I'm gonna have to use loads and loads of bottles to make it. I had to come up with the idea about a cheap design and really light and an easy way that I can make it at home. And this video will show you how to do it. I had to think of a basic experiment for how it floats. I have this rock, but if it goes in water, will it sink or will it float? Of course, it sinks. How can you make the rock float? Well, water skiers, they've got big surfaces. That's how they float. They water ski on the water. So I was thinking if I made a big surface on my kayak, it would work. Sometimes you have materials that don't function well on their own, like this spaghetti and this cling film. On these materials on its own sink and it can snap easily. See, it just sinks to the bottom and breaks easily. Cling film is not really strong on its own. So, but if you put them together, they might work. Hold weight. Crazy. This works because of the surface area, making it bigger. I'm gonna be the rock. Let's see if my boat floats too. Now I'm gonna start gathering my materials. So first, get some bendy branches. And I found this falling down branch and I thought, this is perfect for my kayak family. You want it bendy enough like this, so you can shape it into circles. Get assistance from parents to use this job. First, get your branches. Small leaves in the branches are. All up together, you can see. So there's big, medium, and little. So the little ones you're gonna turn into hoops. Start slowly bending the sticks so they don't crack. Do branches into circles. You might need help from adults. of the boat. Once your hoops are ready, it's time to hula hoop. Use different materials for the structure of your boat. You want the material to be bendy, lightweight, and strong. Start off with sticks to make our structure because they're lightweight and they're free, and we cut it off our branches of our tree and the fallen down tree that we found. The problem that we found with sticks is because they can break easy. To go see my builder friend, and he had this leftover pipe that would have gone in the bin. So it would be really good for like a little bit of the structure. Good because it's flexible and light. The problem that I'm finding it is because I can't bend it into small circles. I'm measuring my kayak to 2 meters. Building the sitting bit of the boat. I'm taping the round pieces of wood together, and I'm taping it near the sitting part. Cut them to 2 meters length, and there's 8 of them. Constructing the boat shape, the backbone of the boat. What the skeleton looks like after all the taping. You can see that it's really lightweight and free to make. They need a little bit of help from adults. Ready, I'm going to wrap it in cling film. Once you've got a massive wrapped present, it's time to open the seat. Check to see if you can find any visible holes. Now I'm going to make a paddle. I found a stick in the woods today, and I thought it had a little cut in it and a straight, and the other end looked like it could have a paddle in it. So I thought, great, it could be used as a paddle handle. Cling film, some tape, and it's finished. Time to launch the boat. I love new adventures. Also use it as an umbrella. Stay tuned for new adventures.